Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with a different format. Today I'm gonna show you how to become a double-edged sword. What does this mean is if you're becoming a copywriter or if you're gonna do copywriting, you need to have more than one skill. You can only be a copywriter if you want, but if you do this, you can charge more, you can help more people and just take it to the next level so you become someone that is more valuable in the market, in the copywriting market, so you're gonna get more clients and at the end, more success. So basically, we all know that the thing that copywriting goes with the most is images, right? Images in copywriting goes together like bread and butter, right? So if we want to take it to the next level, you can learn how to do some graphic design. You don't have to become a graphic designer, you don't have to become a Photoshop master, but you can truly know the basic tools so you can create content, you can create better copy, Facebook ads, you can edit pictures. This is something that it's really useful so you don't have to pay someone every single time that you want things with a visual or a graphic design part, right? So this sounds good, right? So you're becoming someone that's more useful. You're not just a copywriter, but you can also do some graphic images, manipulate some pictures, make better Facebook ads, better thumbnails, better content for your Instagram account, your social media. So if you're also becoming a content creator, you now know not only the copywriting part, but you're gonna become better at the images, at the graphic design, because I truly believe that images worth thousands of words. It's a harsh truth because I'm a copywriter, but that's the truth. If you mix both, it's gonna be really powerful. So let's begin with the basics. We're not gonna dive really deep into Photoshop because it's not necessary. If you know the Pareto principle, where you know only the 20% is gonna give you the 80% of results, that's basically it. So today I'm gonna show you the basic tools. This is gonna be a training of like 30 videos where I'm gonna show you everything I know about Photoshop and how to take it to the next level without having to become a full-time graphic designer, right? So we're gonna dive just enoughly deep so you can make your awesome content and take your copywriting to the next level. So if you open up Photoshop, you see here the top menu where you see file, edit, image, all the options that you're gonna have, but most importantly, you're gonna need the tools. Here on the left, you have all the tools that you're gonna need. Uh, Photoshop comes with the setup with the most used tools, so you're probably only gonna need these ones, so don't worry about that. If you go there and you click it, you're gonna see the tools family, which is all the other tools that are related to that tool or are like variations of the same tool. Or you can also right click it. Right click and you're gonna see everything, or left click and you leave it like that. Okay, also you're gonna see here a letter. This is really important, guys, because those ones are shortcuts. Those are the letters that you need to press in order to get that tool immediately. This is really important, guys. I'm also, by the way, gonna leave a cheat sheet down below with all the shortcuts that are necessary, so don't worry, you can just pay attention to this and then go through the cheat sheet that you can use whenever you're making your content. So if you here press C, you're gonna get into the cropping tool. So let's say I'm here with this other tool and I go with my keyboard and I press C. I'm gonna go, okay, in this case, this one, okay, the moving tool, which is really important. You see it says V, so we go to zoom tool and then we press V. It's gonna take me to the moving tool, you see, quickly. So make sure that you know those, because even though it only takes 1 second less, Imagine that using 1,000 times on your day. That's gonna make a huge difference at the end. So those are the tools that you need, guys. I'm gonna go dive deeper into each of those tools, but only the ones that you need. Now I'm gonna show you how to bring a picture into Photoshop. So you go File, Open, you open any picture that you want, and you're gonna get it. Now, the two most important tools you're gonna need are the zoom tool and the hand tool. First, the zoom tool, you're gonna pick it, and if you click, you're gonna zoom in. And the thing here, guys, is that if you scroll to the right, you're gonna zoom in, and if you go to the left, you're gonna zoom out, right? Left and right, left and right. But there's a shortcut to this one that is really cool. You press Command, if you press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, and then you scroll up or down with your mouse, you're gonna zoom out and zoom in while you're pressing the Alt or Option key. Okay, this is really important, guys. Probably the tool that you're gonna use the most. And next is the hand tool, which is this one. You can click it, and now you can start moving around into the picture. Here, guys, you're not actually moving the picture, you're moving yourself. So you're navigating through the picture, but if you zoom out, the picture is gonna be in the same place. It's not gonna move. So don't worry about this. If you see here, I can't move here because that's the size of the picture. If I dive in, see, so you can see little details. That's the good part about Photoshop. But also, really important shortcut, guys, is if you press space. So you press space bar and then move around. So let's see, here we are in the zoom tool, right? Now you press space and you're gonna get the hand. You see? So in this way, you can be working with one tool and just change to the hand tool, and it's gonna go right back into the other tool. So don't worry about it. You can do this and you're gonna be immediately in the tool that you were before. Okay? So another really important thing about this is that if you double click on the zoom tool, you're gonna get the 100% zoom, which is the highest quality, like the closest you can be with the highest quality, because if you go deeper and deeper, you're gonna see the pixels, right? And no one likes pixels. Okay, those are the basic tools, guys. I'm gonna show you each of those and how you can manipulate these pictures, add some text, and make really good content. But after going, I'm gonna show you how to create a new file. Here, you're gonna see all these things that can look overwhelming, but just basically you need to look at the size. Go on Google, and if you're making an Instagram post, type Instagram post size, and you're gonna get the width and the height. In this case, I knew that this is a perfect size for an Instagram carousel. So if you just go to Google and type the size. If you're making a YouTube thumbnail, if you're making any type of post, just go to Google, type in the size, and then just put it here. Just check out if it's on pixels, inches, centimeters, or whatever. So now in the resolution, you just pick 72 and RGB color. Make sure this is pressed. Here you can pick if you want it horizontal or vertical. And if you want to do an Instagram carousel, which is really powerful content creation, make sure that you click on artboards. So in this way, you're gonna have one after the other. I'm gonna show you. So you create, and then you're gonna get the first artboard, right? Now you can add another artboard to the side, you see? So here you're gonna have all the carousel. This is really important, guys. I'm also gonna show you how to put a picture and make it in both artboards, so you can learn that. That's it for today, guys, for today's video, guys. If you want to learn more of these free trainings in the future, subscribe down below. If you want to take it to the next level, check out my Crucial Copy Skills ebook and my Instagram account for daily tips. Hope you enjoy it. Let's do this. Wait for tomorrow's tutorial, and thanks for watching. Peace.